Most people get this wrong, and they wait too long, or use the wrong option, which makes winning a dispute much harder. The truth is, disputing a charge on PayPal in 2026 is simple, but only if you follow the correct steps from the beginning. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to dispute a PayPal charge, how to choose the right reason, and how to improve your chances of getting your money back fast. Let's start with the first thing you need to know. A dispute is not the same as a complaint. A dispute is the first step where PayPal tries to help you and the seller resolve the issue. This is important, because most cases are solved right at this stage without escalation. Now here's where it gets interesting. The first step is always to check your transaction in your PayPal account. Go to Activity, select the payment, and review the details. Confirm the date, amount, and seller. This helps you avoid mistakes when filing your dispute. Next, click Report a Problem. You will see options like Item Not Received or Item Significantly Not as Described. Choosing the correct category is critical. If you choose the wrong one, your case may get delayed or rejected. But here's the problem. Many users rush this step and give vague explanations. That weakens their case. Instead, be very clear. For example, say, I ordered a phone, but received a different model, or I paid but never received tracking information. In a minute, I'll show you the step most people skip that can decide whether you win or lose the dispute. After you submit your dispute, PayPal opens communication between you and the seller. At this stage, the seller may offer a refund, replacement, or explanation. You should respond quickly and stay factual, not emotional. If the issue is not resolved, you can escalate the dispute into a claim. This is when PayPal steps in directly and reviews all evidence. Upload screenshots, receipts, tracking details, and any proof you have. The stronger your evidence, the better your chances. Timing also matters a lot. Most disputes must be filed within a limited time window, usually within 180 days of the transaction. Waiting too long can make you lose your right to file entirely. Another key tip is to always communicate inside PayPal's system. Avoid dealing privately with sellers outside the platform once a dispute is open. Keeping everything documented protects your case. To wrap it up, disputing a charge on PayPal in 2026 is all about speed and accuracy. Check your transaction, file the correct dispute type, provide clear evidence, and escalate only when needed. Most users lose because they rush, not because they are wrong. If this helped you understand how to protect your money, like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple guides that make online payments safer and easier.